the CEO of the Outside Lounge, the CEO, Natural Fountain Juices. And without him, without the crew amongst him, the family, the CEO means nothing without an organization that has special people in special locations. So Michael, tell him what you're going to do right now.
Good night, everyone. Good night, good night, good night. As you know, this organization, the Outside Lounge, has been in existence for 10 years, right? And I could not have done this by myself. There are a few folks who helped to build it, to guide me, teach me, and just steer me in the right direction. And I want to pay homage to 3 individuals tonight by giving them an award just to say thank you for the help that they have shown me. Now this young man, and the emphasis is on young, I met them in the Bronx 25 years ago on the back of my car, my Nissan Sentra at the time. And this person has guided me, has put my name in the newspaper, all kind of write-up. Tell me how good I am. I'm not sure how true that is. But Anthony Turner, very humble soul. He's a man who writes for the Glean and writes for a bunch of different publications. And he has put my name way out there for the Outside Lounge with my team. And tonight I just want to give Anthony Turner an award just to say thank you for all the help that you have given me, all the love that you have shown me. Almost time you call me name, Bridget, me talk for hours on the phone. And it just never leave the side. Sometimes when you talk for a month, 2 months. But when we do speak, it's like it never ends, it never left. And I'm trying to turn it, step up please. Just want to give you. All right, Anthony Turner, on behalf of the Outside Lounge and the team, I just want to say thank you for all the work you have done for us, all the stories that you have written, talking about the Outside Lounge. I just want to give you this plaque. We just say thank you, simple. All right, for everything you have done for us. And we continue to keep in touch, all right?
Yeah, good night, everybody. Everybody having fun? So normally I'm the person behind the scenes working to get awards for people. Normally I'm not the person receiving an award. So Mike, from the bottom of my heart, I just want to say thanks for this award. It means a lot to me. And as Mike said, it was 25 years ago. I'm not even sure who introduced us together, but it was at a gas station in the Bronx. Yeah, and we've never left each other since those 25 years. And I have seen Mike grow from strength to strength. In fact, the very shirt that I'm wearing here tonight, for folks who really know Mike, will remember that he started with something called Eye Collection. And I just want you to put your hands together and give Mike a big applause for me.
Thank you.
Every project that Mike has been involved with, he has always called me to say, boy, Anthony, I'm doing this thing. What your thoughts are? In fact, the very first event that took place in this house was the Eye Collection fashion show. So it really started from a fashion show to the Outside Lounge. And it's amazing to see that you've celebrated your 10th anniversary here tonight. And I have helped to promote Mike, not just here in Queens, but wherever I go. So if I go to Jamaica, Mike is gonna make a t-shirt or a shirt for me like this one, so that I can promote whatever brand he's promoting. So when the whole thing started with the Outside Lounge, it was only natural that I put Mike in all of the newspapers, from here in New York to Florida to Jamaica. We've helped to put Mike on mainstream TV. My product has graced mainstream TV. And when he came to me a few years ago and told me that he was gonna do the natural juices, and I see where the natural juice has come from. Because in fact, when he did the first label for the natural fountain juice, after about a year or two, I told him that, Mike, we need to step up this thing. because I want to see you in all of the national chains across the US. And he made a change to that. That sign that you see over there called the Outside Lounge. This took about a 2-year a trial and error before it got to what you see over there. But I've always been there to support Mike. I see one of the things that I admire most about Mike is about family. Not just his own family, but you have the Outside Lounge family. He has a team of people working for him. And I'm very impressed with that. Last year we were on Love and Harmony cruise, and it was the entire Outside Lounge folks that was there celebrating. So again, Mike, I'm very proud of what you accomplished. And I just want to say, when the natural fountain juice, when you start seeing in all of the national chains across the US, oh, you still call me and say, Mike, oh, you help me the promotion. All right, so thanks again, folks. It's great being here tonight. It's a 2-hour drive for me. So for me, even to be here tonight, it took some effort. But again, Mike, we had to be here for you. All the best and congratulations. Put your hands again together for Mike Williams.
As I take some pictures, 10th anniversary award. Last 2 weeks ago, we gave away 5.
So we're going to present our second award for Howard Smith. Howard Smith lives in Florida and he couldn't be here tonight. So he asked his friend Speedy. Speedy, step up. Just to get the award for Howard. So Howard is the very first person who played at the Outside Lounge. Going back 10 years, and when I met Howard Smith at Pen Relays and I told him that I want to do something like this, he gave me all the support and I really, really appreciate his support. So Howard Smith, the first DJ who played at the Outside Lounge, we want to thank you, sir. You're in Florida right now. And Speedy is going to take this award for him. Here's Speedy. Speedy. Howard Smith, all right? This is Speedy right here, Howard Smith, good friend. This brother is a very, 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 very dear friend of mine. And this is the guy who... Hold on, let's go finish. This is the person who placed the outside lounge from the backyard to the worldwide. We want to give this award to the person who is holding the video right now, Mr. Garvin Gray. This man right on the board 11, 12, 1 o'clock at night talking about how to move the outside lounge from step 1, step 2, step 3. He's a very humble strategist. Very smart guy. Very, very smart guy. I don't know what to say, man, but you have taught me so much, Garvin. And we've been together for so many years. I just want to thank you for all the work. Thank you for putting the Outside Lounge on YouTube, worldwide. All right, so everybody dance and carry on, do worldwide. All right, so thank you, man, and I really appreciate the help. I really appreciate the guidance. And I can't tell you thank you, all right? So, continue doing videos, man. Thank you for putting us worldwide.
All right, everyone. Thank you very much, Michael, for this honor. You know, you're my brother for life, yeah? I met you at Jam Pop many years ago doing charity work. Very impressed with you. And it's only gotten better. And big up. Everybody, Michael has provided us with a space where we can all come together as Jamaicans and friends of Jamaica to celebrate our culture, food, and music. And it should not be taken for granted, because on a night like tonight, where would you all go? You know, so Michael, thank you very much. And everybody, all the videos that are shot here in the Outside Lounge is on YouTube at a channel called Bonita Jamaica. Go and check yourselves out and see that the Outside Lounge is a worldwide phenomenon. Right? Don't take it for granted that you guys are here. Later on, when you retire and you're old and in your bed, you can go on YouTube and look at yourself back in the day at the Outside Lounge. Michael, thank you very much and big respect.
Appreciate it, sir. Appreciate it. All right, thanks a lot. Thank you, everybody. So back to the music, and we're going to have fun until 5 o'clock. All right? So music, man, please.
Thank you.
I love the blessing.
Hey,
Father God blessing. One more blessing.
hey. Jesus, look over top, man.
Thank you, brother.